Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Engineer Muhammad Abu Samra channel. Today we start to speak how we install ceramic in the wet area. Wet area means kitchen and bathrooms. Before we start, we should to get MEP clearance. Like pressure test. Pressure test means electromechanical engineer check these pipes work or some damage. If some damage, it's big issue to rectify after install ceramic. We should to fix this layout as shop approved drawing and fix it this spacer, this 2 milli or 2 milli and a half as approved drawing from consultant. Welcome, Engineer Abdul Latif. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam. What's this?
This is the level of this ceramic. We have to take level from here to ground level, and here we have to shift like with water level, as you can see. Show me this.
Okay.
This side of this water, you can see this water is like same. He take this value. So this shifting inside that ceramic.
Okay. After this, he fixes this wooden.
Yeah.
He makes this level.
After this, he is taking this level from here.
From outside to internal, like
Internal,
this.
yeah. External to internal. We are taking this value of this level and he take this here.
Okay.
From ground level. He fixed this layout
Okay.
as a drawing. How it is in drawing, it's fixed this.
Okay. One more. When we fix this layout, we should to take care about this last base. Last base, if this base 30 cm, we should to fix this down this 28 or 28 and a half. We should to take care when he fix this ceramic in the floor and take care about sloping. If we make this 30 and this 30, this will make problem when we start to fix ceramic in the flooring. Please take care this big issue. Here we fix ceramic or install ceramic by glue. This he made this by mixer and do like this. We should to take care when we install this ceramic layout. This vertically should be like this. Also horizontal. Show me please, horizontal. Okay. Okay. Yes.
We. Okay.
Okay. This should be right angle. Show me again. This should be right angle.
Engineer, we have to check this level from here. See, vertical. This bubble, as you can see, this bubble is middle of this machine.
Okay.
Okay. And this horizontal also. We have to take care this bubble. If this bubble is middle in this is correct.
Okay. And put here please. It's okay. Now we show you how we check layout.
Now in the layout, we have to check this right angle. If this is not having any space, this angle is good. And here is we see with this machine, we have to check this like this. This bubble is in the middle.
Okay.
It's okay.
Another right angle.
We check angle, as you can see.
Okay.
Then spirit level. This is called spirit level. We use this spirit level. It is right or not. If this bubble is coming in the middle, that is level is okay. like this. Bubble is coming in the middle. Means this tile is okay.
Okay. Well, here, it's also very nice, right angle.
Yeah, this is also right angle okay, and spirit level. Its
Oh.
bubble is coming in middle. As you can see, this kitchen is 4 sides of angle. We check the every angle with this right angle. This called right angle. We use this for angles.
Okay. What he do? What he do?
ये पूरा भी बिल्लो लगा के
Okay.
बिल्लो लगा के बाद में फिर आप इसका साइज कितना है उतना साइज काट के लगाएगा। बाद में लेवल चेक करेगा, फिट लेवल, बाद में आके भी चेक करेगा।
Okay. Show us what's this, ya Rashid? What's this? What's this, ya Rashid?
किलो 12 किलो
What's this, ya Rashid?
এখানে গিলো লাগাতেছে টাইলসের প্রথমে গিলো লাগাতে হবে তারপরে টাইলসের সাইজ নিয়ে এটা সুন্দর কাটিং করে এটা লাগাতে হবে
Engineer Abdulatif, what are he doing in English, please? Explain to everybody.
He's preparing this cement for tile. It's called glue. He's preparing this for tile. He's taking the measurement and now he's fixing this.
And he should to beat this spacer.
Yeah,
This-
this are also a very important thing here. We have to keep this between this tile to this tile. This spacer. Can you show me this spacer in it?
2 মিলি
Okay, this is 2 milli spacer.
2 minutes. Okay.
না এই হাত ফলাই দেয়
After this fixing, first they fix layout. Only they fix this tile, only one layer. Then they fix everything.
Hey.
Full of this tile.
He should to take care about horizontal and vertical. Show me this, ya Kishan. Show me this, okay or not? Okay. Horizontal. Must this. Okay. This corner bed, we fix here in the corner. Like this. We complete all the ceramic. We should to remove all spacer like this and clean. Join, and next we will show you how we check the ceramic install complete all and how we fix it the ground.
Subscribe to this channel for more information about construction and stay safe in the home.